Hello and welcome everyone. I'm excited to guide you through today's topic, MATLAB special variables and constants. In this video, we'll delve into the unique variables and constants that MATLAB, a powerful programming language, provides for us. We'll explore ANS, the variable that holds the most recent answer computed by MATLAB, and mathematical constants like pi. We'll also discuss I, j, 1i, and 1j, which represent the imaginary unit in MATLAB. But that's not all. We'll also look at NaN and NaN, which represent not a number, and INF and INF, which represent infinity. Lastly, we'll touch upon EPS, a variable that represents the floating point relative accuracy in MATLAB. These special variables and constants are the building blocks of MATLAB programming and are used extensively in various computations and matrix operations. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of these elements, their usage, and their role in MATLAB programming. So, let's get started on this exciting journey of learning MATLAB. Stay tuned and happy coding! ANS is a special variable in MATLAB that stores the most recent answer. Pi is a predefined constant in MATLAB representing the mathematical constant pi, approximately equal to 3.141592654. These are imaginary units in MATLAB, equivalent to the square root of -1. You can use these to enter complex numbers. NaN or NaN represents not a number, which is a result of undefined mathematical operations, like division by zero. INF or INF represents infinity in MATLAB, which is a result of operations like division of a number by zero. EPS is the smallest difference between two numbers that MATLAB can recognize. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.